Hello, I am Sevilla Shawani. Today we are talking about supernova, especially and exclusively about supernova 1987. So let's begin. Supernova 1987 occurred in the companion galaxy to the Milky Way called the Large Magellanic Cloud. The distance of supernova 1987 was approximately 168,000 light years from the Earth. The light from that supernova reached Earth on 23rd of February 1987. Supernova 1987 is generally called Supernova 1987A or simply SN 1987A. It was visible to the naked eye but only in the southern atmosphere of the Earth. The most interesting thing about Supernova 1987 was that it was the closest and brightest supernova explosion since Kepler's supernova, which was observed in 1604. Its brightness peaked in May 1987. Afterwards, it slowly declined in brightness. So, what was it? How it formed? Basically, supernova 1987 was a type 2 supernova. Before it turned into supernova or died, it was a blue supergiant star, some 20 times more massive than our sun. The star formerly known as Sendulek 69202, which ran out of nuclear fuel in its core, has nothing left to burn, and to create pressure to counter the crunch of gravity, the star then collapsed on itself, crushing down the core. The outer core, which collapsed under gravity, reached a velocity of 23% of light. This sudden compression increased the temperature of inner core up to 100 billion degrees centigrade. At this moment, the star burst into supernova, creating massive shock waves. The gas behind the shock waves at temperature of about 10 million degrees centigrade. This blast shined with the light of 10 million suns, a final show of glory, making the end of a star life. Neutrino emission from a supernova. Before that supernova, which occurred in 1987, it was only theoretically proven that 99% of energy of collapse is radiated away in the form of neutrinos. Supernova 1987 was the only supernova where scientists observed neutrinos from 3 neutrino observatories around the Earth. Although only 25 neutrinos were detected during this event, but it was the first time when neutrinos were directly detected, which marked the beginning of neutrino astronomy. Are we missing something? Yes, we are missing something after the supernova of 1987. We are missing a neutron star. Given the size and all the characteristics of supernova of 1987, it should have created a neutron star. Astronomers have been searching but have not detected any signs of it. Number of possibilities and answers for the missing neutron star are being considered. Like, some scientists think that the neutron star is concealed in the dense dust cloud. Some other scientists think that a pulsar was formed with unusual magnetic field that we cannot see. Other scientists think that large amount of material fell into the neutron star and it further collapsed into a black hole. However, no radiation from any black hole, any pulsar or neutron star have been discovered yet. What happened since 1987? What we are seeing since 1987? It was a very important event. It gave an opportunity to observers to study a supernova before, during and after it occurred. From 1987 up till now, Chandra X-ray telescope showed an expanding ring of X-ray emission that steadily got brighter. That was created from original blast, eating the gas surrounding the star. It is predicted that these beautiful rings will fade away between 2020 and 2030. Thank you for watching.